Got an engine rebuilding headache? Need help locating those small, hard to find components? Engine Tech headache kits are the prescription you need. Our kit components include cam bolts, dowel pins, seal housing components, cam eccentrics, Woodruff keys, and more. A team of engine rebuilding experts designed these kits with you in mind. They contain popular, small parts that can be difficult to locate in your garage and are easy to lose. This video features part number HK100, which includes dowel pins, cam bolts, and Woodruff keys. Each headache kit is customized to fit your vehicle application and the contents will vary. Engine Tech headache kits are competitively priced so you avoid unnecessary costs in addition to saving you valuable time on your build. Find everything you need all in one place. Visit www.enginetechcatalog.com and save now.